Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and the WhatsApp version. This prevents errors. Once done, open the chat where you want audio. If your device lacks a built-in speech engine, install a TTS app now. It supplies the voices. Make sure microphone and storage permissions are granted so recordings and files save correctly. Now tap the text field to prepare text input or copy the text you want read aloud. This is the first actionable step toward generating speech. Next, transfer or paste your message into the TTS interface. This is where you control how it sounds. Choose voice, language, and speaking rate because clarity and tone affect listener understanding. Once you preview and adjust, export the audio as MP3 or OGG. These formats work well on WhatsApp. If your TTS app supports direct sharing, use the share sheet to send to WhatsApp. Otherwise, save the file locally so you can attach it in the chat. This step completes audio creation. Finally, attach the saved audio in WhatsApp. Tap the paperclip, choose audio or gallery, and select your file. Send it and listen to ensure volume and pronunciation match expectations. If playback fails or recipients report issues, re-encode at a lower bitrate or convert to a different format. Compatibility varies by device. Make sure your network allows media uploads, and if problems persist, send the file to yourself first to isolate device versus file issues. This single troubleshooting step saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.